Michael from RokFORM here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and overview of the RokLock Belt Clip. Let's unbox the RokLock Belt Clip. So when we first open it up, we'll see some of the features and information about it, as well as the user manual, so we'll keep those on the side. We've got the belt clip itself right here. So the belt clip is mostly made from polycarbonate, PC, and it's got an aluminum RokLock there. So that's gonna mean it's nice and durable, it's gonna last you a long time. And it also has a magnetic ring right here that's gonna work perfectly with our phone cases to give you some extra bite, both for alignment and just some security. And we've got the locking arm at the top right there. And then when we open the belt clip, we also have an insert for thinner bag straps, like a camera strap or a backpack, that removes, and then it also has magnetic alignment right there. So you can press it on just like that, and it'll lock into place. One important note about the new RokLock belt clip is it only works with our rugged cases and our crystal case. So what we'll need to do is remove the center plug from the rugged case first in order to use it. So if you're familiar with RokFORM, that's a very simple process just like that. We'll pop out the center plug, and then we are ready to go to lock it onto the belt clip. So I've got a belt right here. Like I mentioned, we've got that insert. So we'll remove that for thicker belts. Anything over 2 millimeters, you're gonna wanna remove that spacer and just keep it somewhere safe if you wanna use it for a thinner bag strap. So in order to lock it on the belt, we'll just place the belt in the center like that. We'll clamp down the sides and then close that locking arm just like that. And then we will align the RokLock head on the belt clip with the back of the phone. They align, you can feel the magnetic ring bite a little bit, and then we'll twist it and get that lock so it's not going anywhere. It's gonna stay on there nice and secure. When you wanna take it off, it's nice and easy to use, just like that. It's even something that you can use this belt clip even with work gloves on. And like I mentioned, we've got the spacer installed now, so we've got a thinner bag strap for our camera. So we've got that spacer installed, we will close it up and then lock that down just like that. Now we're ready to go with your RokLock belt clip on your camera bag or backpack strap. Thanks for watching. You can get your RokLock belt clip and all your other mobile accessories at RokFORM.com.